I'm Lisa Croston, broker owner of Century 21 ProLink. Let's find out what's new in real estate this week.
A major pillar of home ownership is property appreciation. Historically, home values tend to rise over time. Even at a moderate pace, appreciation helps homeowners build wealth simply by owning their home. At the same time, rent usually increases, but renters don't gain anything from higher payments. No equity, no return, just higher costs. When you own, your home can grow in value while your payment often stays more stable. That's how many people build long-term wealth without even realizing it. Are you curious how home values have changed in our market? Drop us a line in the comments.
Hi, and welcome to this week's Century 21 ProLink update. This is JRB here with Property Pros Group. The Siouxland Metro ranks #1 for national economic development growth in the private sector for communities with populations under 200,000. This award is given out by Site Selection Magazine, and this is the 12th time that Siouxland has ranked #1. This week marks the last run of the season for Cone Park. The park will now make the transition to summer tubing, with that activity opening up in early June. And the Weekender publication is going away. Their last publication was printed this week. Tune in next week for your weekly Century 21 ProLink update. Trusted, connected, relentless.
Hi, I'm Julie Hurt with Century 21 ProLink. I've been helping buyers and sellers in Lamar's and the surrounding communities for several years. And one thing I've learned is real estate decisions feel big and sometimes overwhelming. My goal is simple. I want you to feel informed and confident every step of the way, whether it's pricing your home, understanding an offer, or just knowing what happens next. I believe in clear communication, honest guidance. I am here to help you make the right decision for you. Lamar's and Plymouth County aren't just markets to me. They are my home. I love the community, the people, and the relationships that I've built here. If you're thinking about buying or selling, or even just have questions, I'd love to connect. You can always reach me at 712-540-7757.
It's time for your C21 community update, and Siouxland has a great lineup this week. March 4th at 7 p.m., the Harlem Globetrotters 100th Anniversary World Tour takes over our very own Tyson Event Center. Expect wild tricks, big laughs, and family fun that's entertained generations. Then on March 5th, the Siouxland Center for Active Generations is hosting a community potluck dinner. Bring a dish, share a meal, and enjoy connecting with your neighbors. Then on March 6th, it's the 5th annual Sham Rock the House at Country Celebrations Event Center in Sioux City. This high-energy fundraiser supports Lila Mae's House, a restoration home for survivors of sex trafficking. The night features dueling pianos from Fun Pianos, Irish-inspired catering by Sneakies, raffles, drinks, and a whole lot of fun while raising funds for a great cause. Let us know in the comments which event you're most excited about. Stay tuned for the C21 Community Update next week to see what's happening in Siouxland.
Hey, Holly, what are you doing?
Hey, Cassie, I am entering all of the open houses on all of the websites for this weekend.
Wow, we've got a lot of open houses this weekend, don't we?
We actually do.
That is amazing. If you're going to look at open houses, we upload all the open houses onto c21prolink.com. Not just Century 21 open houses, but everything in our MLS. So you can search any listing that is hosting an open house this weekend at c21prolink.com.
Thank you for tuning in to our weekly segment. We work hard to be the best.